Hey, I just want to show y'all something. This is what I owe for student loans. Okay, 101,406.66. Appropriate. Okay, and then the total amount awarded. This is how much they actually gave me for 4 years. Actually, it took 6 because I switched majors. Don't hate on me. All of my college education, that is the amount of money that they gave me to spend on it. And I did. I graduated. And I had to spend some of my own money too, and I got a Pell Grant, but that's what they gave me to help out. This is what they want back. This is what they want back. Now this, it says, see, it's kind of misleading. This says interest. It's like, well, that's not that bad, right? I mean, it's 20%, but it's not that bad. But, and then principal is 82,000. How is that? Because they only gave me 46,000. Well, if you click this little question mark right here, this says the loan amount you took out plus any capitalized interest and less any payments that were applied to the principal. So I had to look that up. I was like, what is the difference between capitalized interest and accrued interest? And basically this is it. Accrued interest happens every month. Student loans are compounded monthly, kind of like mortgages or credit cards. Except for, unlike mortgages, it's not for the house that we live in and we have no asset, other than a piece of paper that gives us maybe higher earning potential. And unlike a credit card, it's not usually used for extraneous or frivolous purchases that you really can't afford. It's an education, which is an investment in yourself and in the future of America. Anyway, so it's compounded like frivolous purchases and the homes we live in. So if you don't pay the entirety of your monthly interest, which depending on your loans can be more than an affordable monthly payment, that just gets added to the principal. And it basically snowballs. So they gave me $46,000, and so far they want $101,000 back. But that, I can't do that. Like, I am almost 40 years old. I could pay on that for the rest of my life and never pay it off. And that's the con. That's the goal. They never wanted people to pay off their student loans. They wanted a constant supply of passive income for the government. They basically wanted an albatross around the neck of every college kid whose parents couldn't afford to foot their bill. And that's exactly what they have. So when people say, pay it back, like, sure, I would love to. Please let me have a job that will at least pay that much, and I will be happy to return the original amount, as was the deal I was promised by every adult in my life when I was 18 with a not formed prefrontal cortex. My brain was not all the way mature. And everybody else is around me who was saying, go to college. It doesn't matter. Just do what you have to do to get a degree. And I did. And now everybody's like, pay it back. With what? Like, they're firing people all the time. There's layoffs. They downsize the government, so no government jobs. The private sector is cutting back, and what are we supposed to do? Just like quietly starve to death? I mean, probably. That's probably what they would like for us to do. I'm not.
Yeah, this is the story, guys. If you never been in the United States, you never live here, you really don't have a chance to, learn from other people. Here is the story. She break down and you know everything about it. The United States, you go to school and you are in debt. Even you are in debt before you get your job. You know it. 100,000 plus in a debt. And now you are trying to find a job. You see that? How many years is gonna take you to pay that money off? The loan, student loan. They help you get in debt for the rest of your life. That's the first debt. Credit card debt gonna come in. Probably medical bills debt gonna come in. You're gonna buy a car, you're gonna be in debt. You're gonna finance your house. And now you're gonna be in debt for the whole of your life. Probably you're gonna put your children in debt too, because if you can't pay off, you were not able to pay off. Who's gonna pay? Your children. another form of slavery. Here we go. I love that video. I'm really happy she made that video. Please do some mathematics before you make a decision. Anytime you want to take a loan, anytime you want to finance your house, anytime you want to finance everything else, it could be your business, it could be a house, it could be your car, it could be, a chair, it could be anything. Please do the math. Do the math. Interest rates is very hard. Accrued, check everything. If you don't know how to do the math, go find somebody to help you do the math. Because if you made a rash decision, you're gonna go in debt for the rest of your life. It's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be pretty for the rest of your life and your family too. It's kind of like a slavery. If you are in debt, you own the people, you work for them for the entire of your life. If you die, your family gonna work for them for the entire of your life. Please make sure you check, make sure you make the right decision. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Especially me, as an African living in the United States, I have learned so much in the book. I have learned so much in the system. I love reading. That's why I always buy a book to read, to learn for myself, to have the knowledge to do what I want to do. The future is bright. The future is financial independence. We're going to be financial independent, and we need to build that to not put ourselves in trouble. Thank you so much. Put in a comment. I don't know what you think about student loan. Put in a comment. Let me know what you think. What's your story? Did you take a help, financial help to go to school, to earn your degree, to earn your certificate? Put in a comment. Let me know what you think. Love you guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Take care.